Uh, in Ukraine, we have a new educational reform stated for like 2027, and they will remove biology, physics, chemistry from school. So you don't need to learn that. You need to learn only history, Ukrainian language. They left out mathematics, math. So
Why?
so
I
you
don't
can count.
understand. Why would they do that? That
And
doesn't.
instead of
And
German, now
and
it's
and,
English,
and
right?
they left what's it called, physical education. So you are fit. So they are
Gender
preparing
equality.
like no. They are
And
preparing
yeah,
brain dead patriots. They are preparing brain dead patriots. It's the
and
same
now
as what has
yeah.
Nazi Germany had in plans for Eastern Europe education. They had like 4 years of school and some basic language and some basic math. And the same is going right now in Ukraine. They are
But
preparing
difference
brain
is
dead
now
population.
it's English. Difference is now it's English instead of German required. That's only difference, right?
It's not required. It's not
No.
required. They removed every foreign literature, so you don't need to learn like Dostoevsky. No, don't need to read Dostoevsky, that Ukrainian traitor. Like chemistry, why you don't need to know chemistry, biology. Oh no, physics. What is E equal mc in square? Like we don't need to know that. We only need to be fit and brain-dead patriot soldiers that will fight for Bandera values. That's what is going on. Like, if you have a brain, you want to run from this country as far as possible until those people are in power.